painting pumpkins. You know, they're not just for painting on Halloween. You can actually bake with them for the other holidays, such as Thanksgiving coming up around the corner. Today, I'm going to make a whole pumpkin pie soup inside the pumpkin. Yeah, you heard me, inside the pumpkin. If you're with me, and I know that you are, click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Let's get cooking. All right, guys, I'm Kelly Jo Hill. Welcome back to the Food Allergy BFF show, where every week we bring you tips, tricks, recipes, inspiration, and information to make friends with your food allergies. And like I said, today I'm going to be making a recipe for a whole pumpkin pie soup. You heard me, whole pumpkin pie soup. And here's the ingredients that you need to get started. Now carefully, with a serrated knife, you will make a top lid by cutting around the stem at a 45-degree angle and remove the pumpkin seeds and all the fibers with a large metal spoon or an ice cream scoop. Be sure to reserve these seeds to make baked pumpkin seeds to snack on later. This is a huge family favorite. I'll leave a link to that recipe in the description below. Then once all that's done, you're going to want to cut the seeds off the lid and then oil your pumpkin, the outside of the pumpkin and the lid, with your avocado oil or your EVOO, whichever you decided on. And don't forget to oil the inside of your baking dish as well. Okay, guys? Now let's invite a few guests to this party. First up, let's add our 1 tablespoon of Earth Balance soy-free buttery spread, then the 3 garlic cloves we minced, then the minced onion, all of that, then 1.5 teaspoons of Pink Himalayan Salt, 1 teaspoon lemon pepper, 2 tablespoons of Nutritional yeast, a cup of low sodium chicken broth, and then lastly, a 1/2 cup of original unsweetened flax milk. Now, replace the lid and let's get our pumpkin into our 375-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, remove the pumpkin and carefully take off the lid, placing it to the side for table presentation later. Now for the final ingredients. Let's add our cup of Daiya pepper jack cheese into our pumpkin party here. Scrape it and get it all in there. And then, after the Daiya cheese, we'll put the teaspoon of oregano. Oh, it's going to smell so good right about now, guys. Oh my goodness. YouTube needs smell-o-vision. Now give this all a quick stir. And then we'll pop it back into the oven without the lid for another 30 minutes. All right, guys. The soup is out of the oven. Now we just need to scrape a little bit with a spoon the inside of the flesh of the pumpkin. Make sure not to scrape too far and carve into the outer parts, because we want to still use it as a vessel to hold all the soup. And then after you do that, use your immersion blender, aka your boat motor. Hi, sister. And I use the Hamilton Beach one. I love this. I'll link it down below. But be very careful. It's very hot liquid. Do not splash yourself. It will hurt. So, with that said, let's get to blending. Let's make some soup. Well, that was it. A whole pumpkin pie soup. What did you think? We made it, and it was so much fun. I had a blast. I don't know about you, but I had a blast. If you haven't subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button. Ring that little notification bell so that you don't miss any future episodes of the Food Allergy BFF show. give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know if you made the recipe, how you did, if you tweaked it at all, if you added or took away. I would love to know. I'd love to reply back. I love the community that we have here on YouTube. So with that said, happy holidays, and I wish you and your family nothing but health, wealth, and happiness. See you next time.